In the last year, I have made over $1 million online using nothing but my phone and computer. And this is something that I make every year by doing things that I truly enjoy. I get to set my own schedule and time. I'm able to be free and travel the world while making money from any part of the world. So in this video, I want to share with you exactly how I'm able to do that. I will be revealing my income sources, and this is in no way, shape, or form me trying to brag about the amount of money that I make, but I'm hoping that this will encourage and inspire you to even consider a new way to making money. Because when I first started, I was probably in the same place that you are right now. I definitely didn't understand the power of the internet. I was laid off from my job. My husband and I were in the process of buying a new home. We almost lost that home. I started a new job, but I quit that 2 months later. But one thing that didn't stop coming was those bills. So this journey has not been easy at all, but I'm glad I did not give up. And now I'm in a position that I'm able to reach back and help as many people as I can to try to do the same thing that I did and I am doing. So I'm going to reveal it all to you today. So definitely make sure you watch the entire video.
To the top, the hustle never stop. It never stop. We done came a long way from the block. Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo cha. Namaste. So I started a new series, or I guess we could call it a podcast, called the Money Hive, and it's basically about sharing real people with real results. And so I already shared someone else's story on how they made $1 million, but I was like, it would not be right unless I come on here and talk to you guys exactly about how I'm doing the same thing, especially because I share so many different ways to make money on the channel, and I always get that question, Monique, what are you doing exactly to make money? So don't worry, today I got you. So this is in no particular order as far as how much I'm making with each of these, but the very first income source that we're going to get into is one that people sleep on a lot, and that is e-commerce. And what I'm talking specifically about selling is print on demand products and digital products. There is no greater time than right now to be selling your own merch online. I have found that out for myself. And the reason I love print on demand so much is because there is so much that you can sell, from pillows to t-shirts to wall art, phone cases. You can even sell books, and everything that I'm showing you literally are things that I created and I have been selling. And on the other hand, I've been selling digital products like guides. I have editing guides that I've created and sold. You can also sell courses. That's a big thing that a lot of people have gotten into. And let me tell you, in one night, I made $7,000 from one course. And even with that, out of all my income sources, this one brings me in the least, but it's only because I don't fully dedicate all of my time and energy towards it. But even with what I do, I am able to bring in thousands. So if either print on demand or selling digital products is something that you are interested in getting started with, you can start both of those in less than 4 steps. The first thing you'll need to do is find out what people are interested in buying, and you can use ChatGPT for free and ask it to give you a list of products that people are purchasing right now. You can also go to places like Etsy, and you can just type in digital and it'll give you a drop down and show you the popular searches. And you can use a tool like Allura to see how much people are making by selling these things. And everything that I'm giving you today is free things for you to get started, because I know a lot of times money is tight when you are trying to start out. And I didn't really invest too much in the beginning of any of my journeys. I definitely invested time, but just not a whole lot of money. And the next thing you'll have to do is create your designs. And another thing that you can use for free is Canva. Depending on what you are trying to create, they actually have tons of different templates that you can use. And you can even create logos from these for your t-shirts or any of your products you're trying to sell. I actually have used Canva to make most of the products that I have, including the guides that I'm selling and the free guides. If you want to take a look at how those look, I'll put that down in the description so that you can download it and see. But after that, you can just find a print on demand platform that you like, and they will print and ship products for you. Or if you want to do digital products, I suggest either creating your own website or using other platforms that already have millions of active users like Etsy. Now, I do have full tutorials to how to get started with print on demand and digital products, but I just wanted to kind of go over it quickly. However, if you do want to check those out, I will put them down in the description. Now, the next way that I make money is through affiliate marketing. That's a big topic that a lot of people are talking about right now. And with that alone, I bring in on average about $30,000 a month. And a good thing about this is it's really passive income because you are able to make money while you sleep. Now, with affiliate marketing, how that works is you basically promote products, and then when you get people to click on a link and sign up or purchase the product, then you will receive a commission from that. And let me tell you where that's hot at right now. It is definitely on TikTok. I recently shared a video talking about how people are making thousands a month by doing this. And I'm talking about people with brand new accounts. So this is something that a lot of beginners can get started with. But let me make this clear. When it comes to affiliate marketing and myself, I only promote products that I actually believe in. So please don't get on these people's internet and promote these products telling people to use it, and it's something that you don't even like yourself, because your word is extremely important and people want to be able to trust you. And once you lose their trust, that's it. But when it comes to promoting products, will it work for every single person? No, it won't. But as long as you believe in what you are promoting, that's all that matters. But there are many different ways, especially again as a beginner, that you can get started with this one. Like I said, I recently shared the video talking about how a lot of beginners are starting on TikTok. That's really big right now because they recently launched their new affiliate program. So of course, when something is new in a company, you know they are pushing that out more. So they are looking for a lot of people to promote these products, and people are making some good money doing it. But there are tons of different affiliate programs out there. I'll be sharing more videos talking about affiliate marketing really soon, but I'll also place the link down in the description to some of my other videos so that you can check those out now. And you can also become an Amazon affiliate. A lot of people are interested in doing that one. You can also go to impact.com. They have tons of different affiliate programs. In fact, I am signed up with several people through impact.com, and I'm able to generate some good money through that. But I'll put some links to some very popular affiliate programs in the description, as well as the links to some videos I previously recorded in case you want to check those out. Now let me reveal to you my biggest source of income, and if you guess YouTube, that is absolutely right. I'm talking strictly what YouTube pays me. Well, not YouTube. Google is actually the one that pays you because Google owns YouTube. I don't think a lot of people realize the power of social media right now and the advantage that you have at this point in time. And many don't know all of the ways that you can utilize it to make an income for yourself. And I'm talking about life-changing income. So much so that that job that I told you I quit earlier was of me being a nurse practitioner, a 6-figure job. And people could not believe that I quit that so that I can post videos. I have an entire master's degree, y'all, but I'm telling you, the opportunities they have presented itself is way greater. So I'm going to take you into my analytics that basically shows you my stats, and YouTube is going to reveal to you how much money I make. And I just want to show you what my highest month last year was. And if we take a look at this month right here, it shows that I made a little over $67,000, and that's in 30 days. That's about $2,200 a day that I'm making through social media in that month. But I also want to show you the other end of the spectrum and show you what my lowest month was last year. And if we take a look at this month, it was about $35,000. And that's the lowest month from YouTube pay in 30 days. So you can do the math between those two and guesstimate about how much money I made in the entire year. But when I come on here and I tell you things like you can make this much or that much on these people good internet, it's because I know this from experience. I am not making this up. And there's so much to getting started with YouTube. If you are interested in me doing a full-on tutorial on how to get started as a beginner on YouTube, let me know. But one of the ways that I talk about often that you can get started on YouTube as a beginner is by creating faceless YouTube channels. And although my channel is not faceless, I do recommend that to a lot of people. And the reason that I talk about that so much is because so many people tell me that they are not interested in showing their face for whatever reason, whether they just don't like being on camera, they're shy. Many people tell me they don't even know what to talk about, so they're kind of nervous about it. So that's why I kind of give you that option so that you don't have to put so much pressure on yourself by being on the other side of the screen, because it is something to get used to. I've gotten used to it because I feel like I am literally sitting here talking to you. But for other people, when you hit that record button and you just see this camera in front of you, it's kind of like, okay. But another reason that I encourage people to make faceless type of videos is because these things are bringing in thousands of dollars. If you take a look at some of these channels right here, you'll see that they are making faceless videos and they are making thousands a month by doing this. And many of them are using AI. They're not even using their voice to create these things. And to test that out, I recently did a challenge myself, a 7-day challenge, by creating a new faceless channel, and it did not have any association with myself. I didn't use any of my following, and I just wanted to prove to people that you can get started with this today as a new channel and you can actually make money. And I was able to get over 100 subscribers in less than 7 days. But I'm going to link that video down below so that you can check it out as well. Now, my next income stream is not really one that's online. Well, I guess you can kind of consider it online, but I definitely wanted to mention this because this is something that you can do today and make some kind of money towards this. So I receive income from my premium and my high yield savings account. I have online banking accounts, so it is online, and they offer me a rate of about 4.25% just for parking my money in these accounts. Now, for a lot of people, unless you have a whole lot of money that you're putting in the bank, I know this type of income may not generate a lot for you, but it's better than you using some of these banks. And I don't want to put them out there, but I definitely closed their account because they were giving me like a 0.0006% return on my money. But now I'm making about $3,000 a month just from having the right bank accounts. And if you want me to talk more in detail about this to make sure that you are using your money in the right way and making sure that it works for you, then comment down below and I'll share what banks are good, which ones are not. But last year I made enough just from using high yield savings accounts and premium accounts. I actually made enough through that for some people to actually live off of. So if you have money in anybody's banks right now, please make sure you are using high yield savings accounts. And a good thing about it is a lot of these don't even have a minimum that is required for you to open these accounts and start making this extra money from having your money just sitting there. Now, other ways that I make money is through the credit cards that I use. I get rewards, cash back, different things like that. I definitely do not advise anyone to use any kind of credit cards if you are not able to completely pay off that balance every single month. I do not promote getting in debt just to get a few extra coins in your pocket, because at the end of the day, the debt is what's going to be paying for those rewards. So it's not really free, if you get what I'm saying. But I am also working on other income streams that I can share more about at a later time if you are interested, like certain investments and real estate, things like that. But I hope this video has helped you out and shed a little bit of light, especially about what I know for sure is working out there and ways that you can get started making money online. Now, I don't want you to think that this road is easy, because I tell you, every other day I want to quit. And that's even with the amount of money that I'm making. I still have my days that I'm like, just forget it. But this all honestly takes a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication. It is not something that happens overnight. I've been doing YouTube since 2020. So it is definitely something that's going to require a lot of your time, but it is so rewarding. I tell you one thing, looking back in life, there is not one time that I could even imagine that I will be at the point that I am today. But I'm glad that I'm here, and I definitely want to take you along with me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please like this video if you have not, because that helps me out. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.